Hi guys, we have got this brand new Creta, and in brand new Creta this is come for the base model, and this is from 400 kilometers from Ballari. So the customer came all the way seeing our videos. So what modification we have done in this, we're going to give you a brief. If we talk about the front standout, we have given them the Osmo 150 watt LEDs, which is high beam and low beam. So we have given them, it's going to give you a throw up to 150 meters minimum. Along with that, we have given them the front connecting DRL. You can see this is all OE fitment from the company, how it is comes. Side standout, if we talk about, we have given them the complete ORVMs with a matching color, and it's electronically devised and no tampering of wires in this. And if we talk about the inside profile, the first and foremost what we have given them, the customer was very particular about the 12.33 inch screen, which is from MI company. So we have given them the integration of with the 360 cameras, and this is going to be all functional to all the features like YouTube, Netflix, and you can have a 2D 3D bird view for the system. Along with that, we have given them the audio upgradation, and you can see for before the audio we have given them the complete one layer damping sheet from Schumer brand. This is all Russian, and we have done the upgradation for the speakers for JBL components and coaxials. Along with that, for the steering mounting, we have given them the steering control and the cruise control. So this is going to be very helpful on the highways when you set it up to the cruise control. So guys, we have for the heat control, also we have given them the best solution in terms of the heat. We have given them the Garvare sun film for the sides and the front. So guys, and we have given them the roof rails as well to enhance the complete outlook of the vehicle. So guys, along with that, the special part, we have enhanced the upholstery as well. So in that, we have given them the Top Gear brand. You can see this interior is exactly matching to the whatever color options we have suggested to the customer. So guys, this vehicle, you can see it has come, and we have done all the modification in RS CAR modifiers from base to top we have created. So guys, you want to upgrade your vehicle from base to top Creta, you can come any of the vehicles. We are located in BTM layout. So you can see the customer reviews you'll get, and we'll give you the glimpse of this vehicle in a short while. So guys, you want to upgrade, you can come to RS CAR modifiers. Thank you guys for watching the video.